Are you trying to get information from someone as a policeman or even a normal investigative journalist where they won't be, and you want to get information from someone without actually revealing your identity through your phone number? By disclosing your phone number, it is very easy to be tracked through your phone number, and you want to make your number to be very private without anyone knowing it is actually you calling. Or you can even use it to throw a prank on your brother or even your loved one to put a smile on their face. My name is Basi John. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel, the Edutainment Media, I talk about education and entertainment in general. That means if you love education and entertainment, please kindly click the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I post a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can actually make your number to be private. What I mean is that you can actually hide your number in MTN, Glo, airtel, just mention them, as far as it is based here in Nigeria. And you can hide your number, get information from anyone without actually revealing your identity, or not to even be tracked by anyone. As you can see here from this end screen, the step is very easy. You have to, number one, you have to go on your phone dialer app, and on your phone dialer app, you dial #31# before the number you want to call. That means you have to copy the number you want to call, dial #31# and you put the number and you call. This works perfectly for any line you are using. So guys, if you find this information very useful and helpful, drop your comment in the comment section. Check it out whether it works or not, then share this video to your friends so that they can see it. Also give me enough publicity, and it can also help my channel grow, and I will make sure I make you to be valued in each of my video. I really love you. Thank you.